couldn't love. I wish that I could stop, cause it hurts so much. And I'm the only one that's trying to keep us together. When all of the signs say that I should forget her. I wish you were the best I ever had. I wish that the good outweighed the bad, cause it'll never be over. Can never be over until you tell me it's over. Until you tell me it's over.
It wasn't your fault that they made you do it. You've never